Hi, everyone. So happy you're here today. Did you know gift wrapping is a great chance to practice English? In this conversation, a customer asks for help wrapping a birthday present. You'll hear sweet, useful phrases about colors, ribbons, and surprise gifts. Stick around and let's learn these warm expressions together.
Hi, I'd like gift wrapping, please.
Sure. What item would you like wrapped?
This scarf right here.
Nice choice. Is it a present?
Yes, it's for my best friend's birthday.
Oh, nice. When is her birthday?
This Saturday, actually.
Coming up soon. We have several options.
Really? I'd love to see them.
Let me grab the samples.
That would be great. Thanks.
Here you go. Take a look.
Wow, so many colors.
Yeah, we just got new ones in.
I love this pink one.
That's our most popular paper, actually.
Do you have any with patterns?
Sure. We have stripes and polka dots.
Oh my, the polka dots are so cute.
Yeah, those sell really well.
Which one looks better for a birthday?
Honestly, polka dots feel more fun.
I think so too. Let's do polka dots.
Pink or white background?
Pink, definitely. She loves pink.
Great choice. Now, ribbons.
Oh, you do ribbons too?
Yeah, we have gold, white, red, and silver.
That sounds amazing.
Which color do you prefer?
Gold would look nice with pink.
I agree. Gold and pink go well together.
Then gold, please.
Got it. Want a bow on top?
Yes, please. I love bows.
Big, medium, or small?
What do you recommend?
For a scarf, medium is just right.
Sounds perfect. Medium, please.
All right. We also have gift cards.
Oh, I almost forgot about that.
No worries. They're free with wrapping.
Really? That's so nice.
Yeah, just pick any design you like.
I love this one with flowers.
Nice pick. Want me to write on it?
No thanks. I'll do it myself later.
Sure, no problem.
So how much is the wrapping total?
$3 for the full set.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
It covers paper, ribbon, bow, and card.
Totally worth it.
All right, let me start wrapping.
Yes, please. I'm so excited.
Give me about 2 minutes.
Take your time.
I'll make the corners really neat.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
By the way, is this a surprise gift?
Yes, she has absolutely no idea.
Nice. Surprise gifts are the best.
I know, right? I can't wait to see her face.
How long have you two been friends?
Since middle school, almost 10 years.
Whoa, that's a really long time.
She's like a sister to me.
That's cool. You must be really close.
We do everything together.
Does she know you're getting her something?
No way. I kept it totally secret.
Ha, that must have been hard.
It really was. I almost told her twice.
That happens. Secrets are tough to keep.
I feel like I'm going to burst.
Just hold on until Saturday.
I'll try. Oh, the wrapping looks so good.
Almost finished. Just the bow now.
Oh my gosh, it looks perfect.
There you go. All done.
The bow is so pretty. I love it.
Glad you like it.
She's going to be so happy.
I'm sure she will.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
This was the best wrapping service ever.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Have a great day.
You too. Happy birthday to your friend.
Hey there, bookworms and English learners. Katie back with you again. Do you have a favorite book you can't stop talking about? Today's conversation is all about recommending books between two friends. You'll learn lovely expressions like, I can't put it down, and no spoilers, please. Let's open this book together.
Hey, what are you reading?
Oh, this? It's a novel.
Oh, really? Is it good?
Yeah, I can't put it down.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Honestly, it's the best book this year.
No way. What's it about?
It's about a guy who travels alone.
Oh, I love travel stories.
Yeah? Then you'd love this one.
Who's the author?
His name is Paul Walker.
I've never heard of him.
He's not that famous yet.
So, what happens in the story?
Well, this guy quits his job suddenly.
Oh my, that's so brave.
Yeah, and he just starts traveling.
Where does he go first?
He goes to a small town in Spain.
That sounds so romantic.
It is. He meets interesting people there.
Interesting. Like who?
An old woman who runs a bakery.
Oh, that's so sweet.
She teaches him how to bake bread.
I love that kind of story.
Same. That's why I like this book.
Does he stay there long?
About 3 months, I think.
Wow, 3 months. That's a lot.
Yeah, but it goes by fast in the book.
Then where does he go next?
He moves to Portugal after that.
Oh, I've always wanted to go there.
Me too. The descriptions are beautiful.
Does he find what he's looking for?
That's the interesting part.
Don't tell me the ending.
Ha, I won't. Don't worry.
I hate spoilers so much.
Seriously, same here.
So you'd really recommend it?
Definitely. You should read it.
Is it easy to read?
Yeah, the writing is very simple.
That's great. I prefer easy books.
Yeah, me too, actually.
How many pages is it?
About 250 pages. Not too long.
Oh, that's perfect.
You can finish it in a weekend.
I love finishing books quickly.
Same. Long books make me tired.
Right? I always lose interest.
Exactly. Short books are the best.
By the way, do you read a lot?
I try to read one book a month.
That's impressive. I barely read.
It's a habit. I read before bed.
I usually watch videos before bed.
I used to do that too.
What made you change?
I couldn't sleep well with my phone.
Oh, that's so true.
Yeah, books help me relax more.
Maybe I should try that too.
You should. It really helps.
Do you read paper books or e-books?
I prefer paper books, honestly.
Me too. I love the smell of books.
Yeah, there's something about it.
So, where did you buy this book?
I got it at the bookstore downtown.
Oh, I know that place.
Nice. They have a great selection.
I haven't been there in a while.
You should go. They have new stuff.
Maybe this weekend.
Good idea. Want me to come with you?
That would be great.
Cool. I need a new book anyway.
Do you have any other recommendations?
Have you ever read mystery books?
Not really. Are they fun?
Yeah, once you start, you can't stop.
Oh, that sounds exciting.
I'll pick one for you at the store.
Ah, thanks. You're so helpful.
No worries. I love sharing books.
I'm so excited to read this one first.
You'll love it, I promise.
Can I borrow yours when you're done?
Sure, I'm almost done actually.
Really? Then maybe tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll bring it tomorrow.
You're the best. Thanks so much.
No problem. Enjoy the book.
I definitely will. Can't wait.
Let me know what you think later.
I will. We can talk about it then.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow then.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Happy reading.